Judicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur Eevfam and Human Rights Alert HRA, along with the families of 14 martyrs of the June 18, 2001 incident and those of Nobo and Gobin, have welcomed the orders passed by Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Sorokhaibam Sadananda, rejecting the closure reports submitted by the CBI in both cases. The court, in its order dated October 28th, summoned the accused personnel of the Assam Rifles, CRPF and Manipur Police to appear before it on November 25th, terming the decision significant for reviving hopes of justice in long-pending cases of alleged extrajudicial killings. Speaking to media at Human Rights Alert Office Kwakithel, Manipur Eevfam General Secretary Edina Yaikhom stated that the court's observation, reaffirming that violence can never be legitimate and that the right to life under Article 21 cannot be suspended for executive convenience, has renewed faith in the rule of law. She noted that the ruling aligns with the UN Human Rights Committee's 2023 recommendation to abolish sanction requirements to prosecute security forces accused of human rights violations. Expressing gratitude to their legal team, Eevfam Secretary Edina Yaikhom and HRA Executive Director Bablu Loitongbam said the verdict is a step forward in the fight against impunity and a true tribute to the June 18 martyrs.
In 2012 tagi FIL ama Supreme Court 152 case ki file tawra matung da hona zabadu nahangai justice fangde yam wa na ngai jaram badu CJM Imphal West na 28/10/2025 ta June 18 Manipur gi yamna history da yam chauna mayam bumna magna khangna ra yamna wakhal sokna ra incident do adugi matang da makhata na trial chathana bagi damakta November 2025 se masaida accusing bo trial chathara gani haina CJM Imphal West na tabiriba khoi order ase masida khoina yamna nahangai waruba sauba nuaitaba kapningba pendaba mayam do khitangdi khoida nuaiba phauba aduga yamna taramna oxari justice kitangdi phangani haibagi nuaijabado imung manunga loina na khoi pumna magna phongdok chaningbagi sinjaba asigi press release neba aduga loina na atopa case amaga masina na cousins brother ani laigidabagi sigi case isu samana order Maya trial Sataragani, Haina, Saman Tabirakpa, accusing book of Pirakpa, Siginavata, Yamna, Nuaiba, Hongdok Sabagi, Matangni.